enter this country, they look at you and your personality, they look at the passport you have in your hands, and then they deal with you according to your passport. Imagine me, Miss Renee. How many times do I test at work? Twice every week. Never for once have I tested positive. Ever since COVID started. I traveled to Ghana just to come and do a little bit of something for my mother. And this is what is going on. Share it out there for me. I'm begging you. Share it, because the M Plaza situation is serious. The M Plaza deal is serious. I am kidnapped over here, Miss Renee. I have been kidnapped. And I told them I'm not taking any room, because even the rooms are even infested more than the place where I'm sitting. The rooms have COVID because the rooms are for COVID patients. I came over here, and when I was coming, I did 2 tests. 2 tests. 1 72-hour and 1 24-hour. 24-hour, I went to do it at Fairfax Medical Laboratory. They charged me $150. And this is what they're telling me, Miss Renee. Share it out there. I wanted to go as far as YouTube, wherever, because they are exploiting people that are traveling into this country. All the foreigners, if you have anything to do in Ghana, stay where you are. Because as soon as you enter, they are stealing every money off of you. The thieves are not coming to your house anymore. They know now we have guns in our house. They will not come to your house anymore. Now they are taking it at the airport. The thieves are taking your passports at the airport. They will make sure they take your money from you before you get to your house. So by the time you get to your home, you have nothing. Stella, share this to Fire from Above for me. Please, I want this to go to Fire from Above. Share it to him for me. And tell him this is what is going on with me. I want this to go to Captain Smart. Captain Smart, we need you. I know you will say something about this. I know you are for Ghanaians. I know you want something better for Ghana. Please, share it out there. Share it out there for me. I want people to hear. I've been held. I have been held captive. I've been held captive. Look at this gentleman sitting over there. I'm sorry, sir. Look at this woman over there. There's another guy sleeping over there. They're saying they all have COVID. But just because we are scared of the rooms, we don't want to even take the room, because it's for COVID people. Share it, because it's really going on. They are duping people. You should see how many people they brought them. They brought them here in a bus. How many white people they brought them here in a bus. And I told them they are using you guys for just business. You all don't have any COVID. You don't have COVID. You have every right to go and test yourself again. Please, make sure you are testing yourselves. I told the white people, I said, these people are using you for business purposes. They are using you for business purposes. You don't have no COVID. Whoever, the people doing COVID at the airport, I think it's a business deal to them. For them, it's a business deal. Oh, they are playing with our lives. They are playing with our lives. I have traveled 11 hours to get to Ghana, and I haven't been able to even go home to go take a shower. Look at me. Look at me. This is not what I was wearing. But just because the mosquitoes are biting me so much, I have to find something to cover myself. So I have to wear this thing. Look at me. I'm sitting at a reception, and a mosquito-infested, cockroach, stinking reception. Yes, please, Embassy of the United States of America. I need their number, Miss Renee. If you can send it to me, I will be so appreciative. Please, I'm begging you. I have been held captive. I'm supposed to be given another chance to go take a COVID test somewhere privately, at a private hospital, a private clinic, something. They should even get me a guard to go with me so I can do the COVID and come back. Yeah, this is what they're doing. They're holding me captive. They have held me. I'm an American citizen. They have held me captive. Go check yourself. Before they all got woke, they all came to light, and they said, yes, what the woman is saying is right. Miss Renee, this is what is going on in Africa. Nobody should come here, especially Ghana. Don't come here, because if you come here, they will steal you broad daylight. They will steal everything from you broad daylight. Thanks be to my brother who came to pick my big luggages and brought me food to eat. I'm so sad I couldn't even eat the food. I had to throw it away. I haven't taken a shower since last night when I took a shower. I haven't taken a shower up till now. Up to now, I've been held captive. They are not allowing me to also go and take another test somewhere. At least they should allow me to go take another test somewhere. They said no. They said no, I don't have any right to go anywhere to go take a test. I have been held captive. Please, somebody help me. Help me, because this is not right. This is not right. Share this out there for me. Please share it out there for me. Let everybody know. Let everybody know what is going on in Ghana. The Ghanaians amongst the ones watching me. Please share it out there, because this is what is going on. All the money they have stolen, gold, the gold money, timber money, cocoa, bauxite, manganese, it wasn't enough for them. It wasn't enough for them. Now this is what they want. $100 a night at the cockroach-infested hotel. That's when you step at the reception, it smells like puke. It smells like puke. This is really sad. For me to sit in a plane for 11 hours and come over here and sit in a cockroach-infested mosquito reception of a hotel. Look at all these people. They brought them all here because they said they have COVID. It's a business deal. It's a business deal. I'm telling you all. You all have to find a ways and means of checking yourselves again. This is not right. They are taking your money for nothing. This is a business deal they're doing over here. You did a 72-hour test before coming in. So I don't see why they need a 72-hour test before coming in. And then they will tell you, come and check again. You check yourself again and they will tell you you have COVID. And they will direct you straight to this hotel because they have a business deal. Everybody watching out here, look, this is what is going on. You see that? You see? You see, this is what is going on. Share it out there. I want people to know what is going on in Ghana. When you travel and you come to this country just to take care of your mother or just to come and see your people, this is what the government have subjected us to. Exploitation. Upon exploitation. They have not, look, this, I'm so sorry I have to bring the kids in. Look at the kids. 7 years. 7 years old. He's not been fed since. I don't give a fuck. Shut the fuck up. It's my right. It's my right. Listen to me. Don't come in my space. Do not come in my space. Don't come in my space. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. I said stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay the hell away from me. Everybody watching me, please share this thing out there for me. Share it out there for me. This is what is going on. They are doing this for money. They are doing this for money. And it's not fair. Look, children, little kids, they haven't been fed since 7 p.m. You think it's right? You think it's right? Share it out there for me. Any stupid idiot who thinks he has right should come and stand in front of me and say anything. I'm going to deal with you all, and you will know who you're dealing with. Share it out there for me. I want everybody to know what is going on in Ghana. This is what is going on in Ghana. Oh. They have subjected us to this. As soon as you enter, they tell you you have COVID. So they can bring you into their own hotel, a business deal hotel. A business deal hotel. Make sure you do your own COVID test, because this is not fair. They are using you all. This is not fair. They are using you all. You guys are using us for your stupid money rituals. You're using us. As soon as you come out of the plane, they look at you and see the one that has foreign passport, and this is a cash cow. Let's go get the money. Please make sure you follow me, Ivy Abuaji. Follow me and share this out there, because this is not right. Look at the kids sitting at the back like they have arranged them like they are packages of rice, and they haven't even eaten. Old women, they haven't even eaten. Please share it out there. I'm trying to bring this thing to light. Share it out there for people to see, because this is a bad government. This is a bad business deal. This is not right. This is not right. I said I'm not going to sleep tonight too. Anybody who they bring over here, I will let them know what they are doing in this hotel. I will let them know what they are doing in this hotel because it's not fair.
Yes, my brothers and sisters, it's become very necessary to do a recording of this video because of some of the misrepresentations and outright insults going around on social media. Ghana is a sovereign country. We decide how we want to contain COVID-19. Once upon a time, Kotoka International Airport was closed. When we decided to open Kotoka, we agreed that as a task force, the COVID task force of the country agreed that we should have some features in a testing regime at the airport. And one of those features is that the testing ought to be an antigen test. That's a test that looks for the virus, presence of the virus. And then secondly, it should be done in less than 30 minutes so that by the time you get to the luggage area, your results are ready. We've been doing this for for close to a year now. And as a country, we know that it served us well. The fact that you tested negative PCR test within 72 hours doesn't mean that you cannot be positive or you cannot carry the virus. In fact, any laboratory technician or physician will let you know that no test is absolute. And we've had quite a number of people who tested positive at Kotoka International Airport and later fell ill despite carrying negative PCR tests. So please, people should learn to respect us as a country. We are a sovereign country. If you listen to some of these, my sisters who recorded their videos, so much contempt for us, so much disrespect for the Ghanaian, as if because some people live in foreign lands, they are better people than us. The exhibition of a false sense of superiority. I think we have to desist from some of these things. If you share those videos, try and share this one as well. We are a sovereign country. We are a sovereign country. And nobody is interested in taking anybody's money. We have solutions that we've provided. Some are public, some are private. And myself, I am very much aware that when you go to South Korea, you have to quarantine for 2 weeks at your own expense. When you go to Germany, they have their own rules. When you break quarantine, you pay thousands of euros. When you go to Canada, they have their own rules. Why is it that people question the state? Just because they think that we're an African country, we shouldn't know better. Dr. Samaba, the coordinator for COVID-19 in Ghana, has worked in the health sector for more than 30 years. Former deputy director of the WHO. Myself, I'm a public health person. And so please, if you test negative for COVID using a PCR test, it doesn't mean you are absolutely not carrying the virus. It's possible to be positive. And so please, we've had situations where people tested positive and absconded from the hotels. That is why now we make sure that you are put under compulsory or mandatory state isolation. These are the rules, these are the protocols. Before I travel, I'll read the protocols for every country I go to. And when I go there, despite my knowledge in public health, my expertise in the health sector, I would yield and subject myself to their protocols. And so please, nobody's interested in scamming or defrauding anybody. We are a sovereign country. We deserve some respect. I've resisted a temptation not to use harsh words like they did, because I know that darkness can't drive out darkness. It's only light that can. And so please, let's respect ourselves and let's follow the protocols. We are a sovereign country. We want to protect our people. We test at the airport, and when the time comes, we can review our protocols to exempt those who have been fully vaccinated. And by the way, the fact that you've been fully vaccinated doesn't mean you can't carry the virus. You have to be humble when your knowledge is limited so that people can explain things to you instead of going on a rant and insulting everybody. We deserve some respect. We have integrity. We have a dignity. The fact that we are in Africa doesn't mean anybody can talk anyhow to us. May the Lord help us to overcome this virus in the shortest possible time. But until that time comes, we all abide by the protocols. Myself, nobody, whether you are Bill Gates, you're Okoe Boye, or whoever you are, we subject ourselves to the protocols. Thank you for the attention. Share this video if you've shared the previous ones. People must respect us. We are a sovereign country. Thank you.